Okay, so the diff gears have finally arrived for the Ofna Dominator. It's for the rear. I've already built the front. I got these from Omni Models, I think it was, online. The only place I could get the diff gears. They're the standard diff gears for the standard Ofna Dominator. They're not very strong, to be honest, but it's all I could get my hands on. So anyway, I've done the front. I'll do the rear. I'll chuck it all back together and give it a run and show you how she goes. So, an epic fail. I had a Runaway, as you'll see in the video. Just, thank God, nothing actually broke on the car. Parts are hard to get. The only thing that happened is it popped the dog bones, well, the CVDs out of the front here, which is a good thing. One of the stoppers popped over the arm here, but nothing broken. So the car's actually good. Well, the sway bar's a little bit skewy, but that's okay. Nothing broken. Yeah, can't tell you much about how the diffs performed. The car was definitely stable while it was under control. Why it was a Runaway is because of this right here, the receiver pack to the receiver battery pack to the receiver. One of these are dodgy. Before I started filming, I was playing around with these and they were sort of glitchy, but I thought, no, it'll be okay. I've never had any problems with them, and as you saw, yeah. And of course, if it's going to stick, it's going to stick at full throttle, which mine did, and it ploughed a car in the car park, and then somehow did a U-turn, and then ploughed a garden bed, a concrete garden thing, and ploughed into a tree, and that was that. It was sitting on its roof at full RPM. The tune seems okay because it didn't lean bog, and the engine seems fine. So yeah, I tried to stop it with my foot, jamming on the flywheel wasn't enough. That and a finger on the exhaust killed the engine finally. Yeah, so look, end result probably as good as you could hope for. Nothing broken. Just such a stupid little thing like this. I do have a failsafe, Venom brand failsafe. I've never bothered to use them because I've never had a Runaway. That was my first Runaway I've ever had. Over 10-15 years of running nitro cars. Yeah, it's a bitch of a thing. But anyway, Dominator looks good. Diffs feel great. They feel really good actually after the rebuild. I don't know how long they'll last. Like I said, the standard diff gears aren't the strongest things in the world. But anyway, I'll work out what the problem here is. What's going on here, and then give it a proper run. Okay. All good. Looks like it's spat a. You can see that spat a dog bone out of the out of that side there. That's no problem. Nothing broken. I'll readjust that and make sure it's sitting in better. As you can see, it's going well. So it's the rebuilt diffs. The engine's going well, as you can see. It was well, it spat that dog bone because it almost flipped onto its back. So there's plenty of power there. And nothing broken, and fixed my lead problem there from the Runaway the other day. There you go, the Dominator. It's going like a beast. It's really, really flying. I'll pop that dog bone back in and probably give it another run. Okay, dog bone's in. We're back. Slightly different camera angle. Not a lot of room here. He really likes to pick the front up. It's going really well. Good fun, the old Dominator. Oh, it's going well. It's almost out of juice. I'll kill it there. So going well. One thing I will show, what I was desperately trying to avoid and almost clipped quite a few times, is that right there. That is a star picket nailed into the ground, and if I hit that, if you've ever hit one, you know what it's like. Your car's dead. Yeah, so anyway, the car's running great. It's couldn't be happier with it. Electrical problem solved. The RB K10 engine is running great, really well. Holding its tune. That's had well, tank and a half today, but I've run quite a few through it now. Yeah, diffs, well, they're still there. I don't know how long they'll hold up for. I don't expect too much from them, to be honest. And I may have come onto a source of the replacement diffs, the hop-up diffs, which are a proper diff. So may well be worth chucking those in there. I'm thinking, looking at that run, I need stiffer clutch springs. Clutch was engaging a little too early. I think it would really, well, it would look like a beast. I think it's pulling the front wheels up now, but yeah, with some new clutch springs in it, some slightly stiffer clutch springs, it's going to engage a little bit later, which the engine seems to like, and it should be a whole lot of fun. Yeah, anyway, the Ofna Dominator.